Oppo to launch its first foldable phone by the end of June. We've already heard that we should expect a lot more foldable smartphones this year from a bunch of different companies, and Oppo was name-checked in such leaks every single time. Now a new rumor from China says the company is expected to unveil its first such device in Q2, which starts in April and ends in June. Sadly, it will be a folding device, and not a rollable like the Oppo X 2021 concept pictured below and showcased last year. This one isn't going to become an actual product anytime soon. Alongside Oppo, Xiaomi, Vivo, and even Google have been rumored to join the fray of the foldables in 2021, though we aren't yet sure when the other companies would unveil theirs. Most of these devices, however, if not all, are said to be of the infolding variety, so it looks like the outfolding type employed by Huawei's Mate X and Mate XS is no longer trendy. Or maybe it just has too many downsides regarding durability. Huawei has already announced its foldable for 2021 in the form of the Mate X2, and Samsung is also expected to release the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 at some point in the third quarter, so the foldable game is definitely heating up soon.